Howdy folks, Luke here at Kuhn Truck and RV with a 1-minute walkthrough on this 2006 Forest River Lexington 255. A compact 26.5 foot length, 2 slides, and full body paint make for one beautiful and versatile RV. It's small but not too small and has passed our full inspection. Enjoy the theater experience on the jackknife sleeper sofa. The microwave convection oven and 2-burner propane cooktop provide options at mealtime, and the fridge freezer operates on propane or electricity. The mid-coach lavatory has a spacious vanity and separate toilet shower with room to take care of business. The rear master bedroom provides plenty of extra storage in the his and her closets and dresser. Enjoy a luxurious viewing experience on rainy days and movie nights, and get a good night's rest on the large mattress. For pricing on this RV and other small motorhomes, visit truckandrv.com.
Come on!